Live video commerce is future of selling. And I am here to present SaleAssist, the #1 live video commerce product. Currently, average online conversion ratio is less than 2%. 96% of brands say video has helped increase engagement. And next-generation customers feel customer experience is more important than the actual product. Glad to introduce SaleAssist, which is a live video commerce solution, offering video selling and video-led engagement solutions to improve customer experience, engagement, and sales. SaleAssist is flexible, customizable, and multi-domain product. It has 3 awesome offerings. First is Reels. Second is VidSell. And third is Strike. For top-of-the-funnel customers to increase awareness, we have Reels feature. For middle-of-funnel customers, we have VidSell feature. And for bottom-of-funnel customers to increase conversions, we have Strike feature. Let us take a quick view on all the 3 features. Firstly, Reels turn viewers into buyers with interactive and engaging videos which are shoppable, give immersive experiences, comes in 7 awesome styles and are fast-loading and provide detailed analytics. Then we have VidSell, which delivers store-like personalized and engaging shopping experience online. It has live video shopping mode, schedule of video shopping and outbound video selling options. All conversations are auto-recorded and provide AI transcript and sentiment scores to give deeper conversational insights. Lastly, we have Strike feature, which captures the moment to strike a conversation and enables sales cycle. It has visitor tracking with multiple filters to engage site visitors in either live agent and auto mode. With SaleAssist, you are all set to accelerate your sales funnel. Expect 25% higher sale conversions, 50% higher leads capture, 2 times engagement, and 30% reduced bounce rate. SaleAssist is modular. You can pick and choose any 1, 2, or all features. It is easy and a no-code solution, and enabled with various AI features to improve engagement and sales from your website, mobile app, or custom integrations. Now it is the time to shift away from 1990s way of selling. Multiple leading brands have trusted and adapted SaleAssist's award-winning live video commerce solution. Now it is your turn to upgrade. Thanks for watching.